In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a new document in DocuSign, step by step. Whether you're sending a contract, agreement, or any document that needs an electronic signature, this simple process will help you get it done quickly and professionally. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. It is saved locally on your computer. Click on Desktop or browse to the folder where your file is located. Select the document you want to upload and confirm your selection. DocuSign supports common file types like PDF, Word documents, and more. Once your document has been uploaded, the next step is to fill in the recipients. In the recipient section, enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. If there are multiple signers, you can add additional recipients in the order they should receive the document. Make sure the email addresses are accurate, as this is where DocuSign will send the signing request. After adding your recipients, click on Add Message. Here, you can customize the email subject line and include a personal message. This is a good place to briefly explain what the document is about and provide any important instructions for the signer. A clear message increases the chances of your document being reviewed and signed quickly. Once everything looks good, click on Next, Add Fields. This will take you to the document editor, where you can place signature and other required fields onto the document. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different field options, such as signature, date signed, text, checkboxes, and more. To add a field, simply drag and drop the element onto the appropriate place in your document. For example, drag the signature field to the line where the recipient needs to sign. You can resize and reposition fields as needed. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient, especially if you have multiple signers. Take a moment to review your document and ensure all necessary fields are added. Missing a required signature field could delay the signing process, so double-check everything before moving forward. When you're satisfied with the setup, click on Send. DocuSign will immediately send an email notification to your recipients with a secure link to review and sign the document electronically. And that's it. You've successfully added a new document in DocuSign and sent it out for signature. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step DocuSign tutorials and other helpful software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.